Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to take notes on iPhone without opening the Notes app. For that, you need to go to your settings and hit Control Center. Then scroll down and click on the plus button of Quick Notes. Once you do that, go back to your home page and scroll down your control center from upward. Then there you can see note. Open that and type and simply save. In this way, you can take notes on iPhone without opening the Notes app. Thank you for watching this video.